Okay, let's take you through the installation of Adobe and Creative Cloud. So to make things easier and simpler, I've created Creative Cloud applications specific for GDC. Basically, this makes it easier for the management of your applications through the licenses that's been assigned to you from GDC side. So download those applications, you go to Teams, go to Student Central, and go to Channel 2, Student Support ICT Resources Admin. Click on Files, Adobe 2021, and depending on the version of operating system that you have, Windows or Mac, you select the one that you have. In this case, we're going to run Windows. And then all you do here is you click on these three dots and you say download. Once downloaded, you'll find it in your downloads folder. Before you do anything on this, make sure that the size here reads exactly the same as you see there. If not, let it sit and let it download until it's finished. It could take half an hour, it could take 45 minutes, all depending on your internet speed at home. So once done, you right click on this folder and you say extract all. And then if you change anything here, you just say extract. Alright, once done, it will open up in a new window. So you open up the GC Students folder, you go to Build, and then you double click on the setup.exe file. In this part you'll find a pop-up asking you to continue with the installation. You just click on yes, and then you hurry up and wait. Okay, so at this point, our installation is now complete. You can just click on OK. So from here, you then go open up your Creative Cloud application. Just basically wait for some updates to install. This part shouldn't take too long. Now I just wait for Adobe to relaunch itself. So open up Creative Cloud again. Okay, so from here you then sign in with your GDC account. Okay, you can do this if you want to. It just makes it a bit more easier, quicker for you to sign in, so you don't have to use your password and all of that. Okay, now once it's loaded, you'll then see all the applications that's available to you, and all of them would have install next to it, or at the bottom of each block. If it says try or buy, please contact me so that we can sort out the licensing side of things for you. But yeah, from there on it's very straightforward, very easy and simple to do. So for most of you, you'll use Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign, and in most cases also Adobe DC. So all you do is click on install and goes into your waiting queue. Install, goes into your waiting queue. You click on the cloud icon at the top here, and then you'll be able to see everything that's currently in the queue for downloading and installing, and you can keep track of the progress of how far they are. And that's pretty much straightforward as it is. Okay, if you have any problems with this installation or anything relating to this, please just send me a message in Teams and then we'll try and sort you out from there. Okay.